10mm. Kind of a tight fit for a ratchet down in there. You're just going to have to get you... There we go. This is the cheap rock gut oil that we got from the Wally World, if you may remember. The only reason we crank up the motor because we just wanted to get it, make sure that it was, make sure the oil was warmed up. There we go. We're using AMSOIL's Z-Rod formula. I selected this because 1, it's fully synthetic. 2, it uses the anti-corrosion package from their marine grade oil. And 3, it has a lot of zinc in it. Alright, so it's designed for hot rodded motors with flat tappet cams. I just fill it all the way up to the threads, top of the threads.